Good morning, everyone. New York City, a global icon, a dream destination for millions of tourists. It's a city of unparalleled energy, diversity, and opportunity. But for a visitor, navigating its vastness, its five distinct boroughs, its endless choices for dining, accommodation, and activities can be overwhelming. How can a tourist make informed decisions to truly maximize their experience? That's where a tale of five boroughs comes in.
Let's consider a practical concern for any tourist safety. Our New York City crime distribution by time chart analyzes crime data across the boroughs. As you can see, there is a discernible pattern with a peak in reported incidents typically occurring between 6 to 10 pm. This represents over 22% of daily incidents and allows a tourist to plan their evening activities with greater awareness, perhaps choosing better lit areas or a different travel time.
Accommodation is another significant decision point. The Airbnb listing characteristics chart allows us for a comparative analysis. For instance, the data reveals that in Manhattan, some high priced listings, even those exceeding $1,000 with numerous reviews, may not always correlate with the highest guest satisfaction, scoring only a mere 3 out of 5 stars. This insight empowers tourists to look beyond price and volume of reviews and consider other factors when booking their stay.
And of course, New York's culinary scene. Our New York City restaurant ratings analysis uncovers interesting trends. While established European restaurants in boroughs like Queens often boast high average ratings, the data also highlights a compelling story for more casual options. Remarkably, 31% of street food vendors achieved a perfect 5 out of 5 score. This tells a tourist that exceptional culinary experiences aren't confined to formal dining. Data can guide them to hidden gems.
Beyond this, New York City Explorer is designed to be an interactive tool. It allows users to delve deeper and compare livability metrics. Another interesting feature to improve the quality of life is the ability to chat with a New Yorker. Imagine you have a specific question, something beyond the charts. Where can I find the best bagels if I'm staying in East Village? Or is it safe to walk through Central Park after dark? You can actually ask a New Yorker by chatting with a Gemini powered chatbot. It's designed to provide personalized insights, making much like having a conversation with a savvy, straight talking local who knows the city inside and out.
Now, let's move on to our dashboard to see the interactions between different elements. First, let's look at the choropath, which uses the NTA GeoJSON dataset to draw the neighborhoods in an NYC city map, grouped using the boroughs. The interactions in the graph are bidirectional and change a state variable for the selection of boroughs, which the user can do with a click of a button. We have also added the ability to zoom and pan throughout the map with an additional zoom when a borough is selected. In addition, we have tooltips in place which highlight the neighborhood name. Moving on, a traveler might want to look at the best restaurants in the city. We have a sunburst chart to show that, which displays the top 20 cuisines in a specific borough and lets the user see the top 7 places to visit. The dataset here is pulled using Yelp APIs. The boroughs are color coded, where the intensity of the color determines the average rating and the size of the arc shows the number of restaurants. Level 1 is the overview, level 2 are the cuisines in each borough, and the last level are the restaurants itself.
Next, we have the PCP chart, which is built using the Airbnb open dataset. We highlight four main features: the price, the number of reviews, the ratings, and the number of days this particular property was available. In order to reduce the clutter from the charts, we have done stratified sampling for each of the boroughs and performed edge bundling. We, we can also hover over a particular line from the PCP chart and the tooltip shows us the entire record with the exact values. Additionally, clicking on a line filters the chart for that particular borough.
The, to add caution to the user, we have a stacked area chart which showcases the crimes in each borough plotted against the hour of the day. Using the NYC complaint data, we can filter through the boroughs to see the time of the day most of the crime occurs, as displayed by the hovering tooltips.
The air quality data is represented using a bar chart with a trend line. The dataset used is the New York City air quality data from Kaggle. We have features like boiler emission, traffic density, toxicity, etc. displayed on the x-axis. They forewarn travelers concerned with environmental factors. Lastly, we have the New York City Explorer chatbot. This allows travelers to talk with New Yorkers before deciding their travels. It has a built-in New Yorker personality to get them familiar with the locals. It is powered by Gemini Flash 2.0. Now let's look at an example. Let's suggest some attractions in Bronx. As you can see, it suggested the Bronx Zoo, which is the obvious choice for any local living in this area.
Thank you for your time.